lovely viewers. My name is Arlene and welcome to Global B Production. Today, our question is, but it's a bird, true or false? And
Tickets.
so we're going to show you a word, and the word for today is acres. Then you mention that particular word. Stay tuned, join us on the street while we ask people around their view. Don't forget to subscribe, and you as my viewer, go to the comment section and type your answer right there. See ya!
Viewers, let's watch this video.
All right. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Kwabena.
Ohinewa.
Okay, so today we just have a word for you. All right.
Okay.
So I will show it to you. Then you spell it. Then you pronounce it for me. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So this is the word.
It's about to go down.
Acres.
What? Spell it.
ACRES.
Pronounce it.
Acres. Am I right?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Spell it again.
ACRES.
Pronounce it.
Acres.
All right. Thank you very much. So the next question is, bat is a bird, true or false?
False.
True or false?
False.
All right. Thank you very much for your time.
Okay.
Thank you.
Today I have with me here Mr.
Professor Imalava Adayim.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Professor Imalava Adayim.
Okay.
Okay, so today we want to ask you a few questions. Hope you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, kindly mention this word for me.
Ice cream.
Pardon?
Ice cream.
Please, I didn't hear you.
Ice cream.
Okay, thank you. And the last question. Bat is a bird, true or false?
False.
Bat is a bird, true or false?
Bat is a mammoth.
I got broads in Atlanta.
All right.
Yes, I'll give you a word. All right, then you pronounce the word, then you spell it for me. Okay. So this is the word. You spell it.
I should mention the name.
No, spell it first.
ACRES.
Pronounce it. Try.
One eternity later.
ACES.
Come again.
ACES.
Okay, thank you very much. So,
I have here with me Mr.
Lazarus C. No.
All right, welcome Mr. Lazarus. We'd like to ask you some few questions. Kindly mention this word for me.
Acres.
Pardon?
Acres.
Okay, your next question. Bat is a bird, true or false? Bat is a bird, true or false?
A bird is a bird. But some features of a bird is not agreeing that the bird is a bird.
You think so they wise?
Okay. Kindly mention this word for us.
The word.
Yes.
Please, where's the word? I'm not seeing the word.
It is smoky book.
Act.
You be mumu.
Pardon?
Act.
You are a mumu man.
Okay. Then the second question is, does bats lay eggs?
Bat lay eggs.
Does a bat lay eggs?
Please, no. It gives birth.
God have mercy upon us.
Bat is a bird, true or false?
True.
Please mention this word for me.
Boy.
All right, you spell it first, then you mention.
ACRES.
Okay, so how do you mention it?
I would say,
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
if the AC is arc, then the RES is rest, then it's acrest.
Bat is a bird. True or false? Bat is a bird. True or false?
Bat is a bird. True or false? It's true and the same time false.
You think say they wise?
Because it's a bat. It could be an animal, it could be the bat.
I love that. I love that.
Yanko the next, problem they didn't know. Men solve that problem. Yanko.
So this is the word.
Aries.
Jesus is Lord.
Come again.
Aries.
Jesus.
Jesus.
Spell it.
ACRES.
Pronounce it again.
Aries. No.
Can you form a sentence with it?
No.
Okay. So the word is Ikes. Ikes. Right, so thank you.
Can you mention this word for us?
Acres.
Pardon?
Acres.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Please.
Acres.
Wow. And the next question is, bat is a bird. True or false?
True.
And I am mumunai too much.
Bat is a bird. True or false?
False.
Does a bat lay eggs?
Nah.
Okay. The second question is, bat is a bird. True or false?
It's true.
All right. Thank you for your
Okay,
time.
so this is the word.
Acres.
Okay, spell it.
ACRES.
Okay, so how do you pronounce it?
Acres.
Okay, so can you form a sentence with it?
I have 15 acres of land.
Thank you very much.
So please mention this word for me.
Acres.
Together we can stop this.
Pardon?
Acres.
Jesus.
Jesus.
Okay, so the second question is, does bats lay eggs?
Yes.
You be mumu.
Does bats lay eggs?
Yes.
You they use your generation to play.
Okay, and our last question is, bat is a bird. True or false?
Come again.
Bat is a bird. True or false?
True.
You are doing rubbish. You think that you are doing good.
Bat is a bird. True or false?
Come again.
Bat is a bird. True or false?
True.
You are doing lunatic encyclopedia petriculation of Jajatica.
Okay. The next question. Kindly mention this word for me.
Acres.
Pardon?
The acres.
All right. Okay, so I have just two questions for you guys. And the first one goes, bat is a bird. True or false? Bat is a bird. True or false?
True.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Bat is a bird. True or false?
True.
Okay. Then the next question is, you're gonna mention a word I show you. So please mention this word for me.
Acres.
Pardon?
Acres.
Okay. And you?
Acres. Acres.
70 years old man.
Okay.
So this is the word.
Acres.
Oh my God! Wow!
Pronounce it again.
Acres.
Spell it.
ACRES.
Form a sentence with it. Bat is a bird. True or false?
I may say it's true because it has wings.